This is a prime swarm out of the far hive over there. Prime being the first swarm of the season. So that's the old queen. This is going to be bigger than a football though, so there's
go. Oh, baby. Got a lot of babies this time.
Got a lot of them?
Moving towards this. My first nest.
yeah, look at she's here. See? See how they're all pointing the same direction? See how they're all aiming that way?
Yeah.
They can smell her in there and they're giving the big scent like, hey, here she is. See how they're all, they all have their abdomens up?
Right. Yeah, can you move that brick so I can get a good light on it? Thanks. You got her.
So they think she's here.
So they're going to crawl into that hive?
Well, I'm hoping that the bees that come down here will be interested in this location. And
Because they can get into that little hole on the top.
Mm-hmm. So
and there's honey in there
there
or something?
There's not honey, it's just empty. Empty frames, but it smells like bees.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to give them another shake from the top. I'm going to shake this bowl and get them all riled up and see if they come down to this smell.
Okay.
Ready?
Whoa.
The trash can thing worked.
Yeah, it did.
That's the funny thing. That's warm. Look how tiny it is now. Up there. Compared to how big it was initially.
Yeah, it's just a fraction of what it was.
So today's a great Sunday. We saw the swarm come out about noon and it landed up again as high as it could get. It was the last hive that I had that hadn't swarmed, and it swarmed today. So every hive I have kept over the winter has been so healthy it swarmed. From here I'm going to take it and let them settle in for till dark. It'll start out with new foundation and it'll raise a whole new colony. The hive that it swarmed out of, I'll have to check that for queen cells and make sure that it's going to raise a queen. And if there's extra queen cells, I'll take a few more of those and start a few nukes. So from this one thing happening, I'll end up with probably the old colony, this swarm here, and 2 nukes going, just because they swarmed out. I'll do that tomorrow or the next day. But I'm just glad I caught it.